Do you know that native speakers use have in 7 completely different ways? Most English textbooks only teach you 1 or 2, and that's why you feel confused when native speakers talk. Today, I'm showing you every single way English speakers use have, and I promise it will finally make sense. Hi, I'm your English coach from Daily English Edge. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to learn how native speakers actually use have in real conversations. Whether it's possession, obligation, experience, or advice, you'll see examples that you hear in movies, podcasts, and everyday life. Let's start. First, the simplest use of have. We use have to say what we own or what we have with us. Listen, I have a dog, she has a car, they have 2 children, we have 3 books. It's straightforward. I have, you have, we have, they have. But with he, she, and it, we change it to has. He has a sister, she has a phone. This is the most basic use of have, and you probably already know it. Here's where it gets interesting. Native speakers use have to talk about life experience. I have been to Paris. She has worked here for 5 years. They have never seen that movie. Notice the pattern: I have, you have, we have, they have plus the past participle. With he, she, it, we use has. He has visited the museum twice. This is called present perfect, and English speakers use it constantly because it connects the past to the present moment. When someone asks, "Have you eaten?" they're asking about your past experience that affects now. We also use have to talk about how long something has been happening. I have lived here for 3 years. She has known him since childhood. We have been friends for 10 years. Listen carefully. This is different from talking about a finished action. When we say I have lived here for 3 years, we mean I still live here now, and I've been here for 3 years continuously. Native speakers ask, how long have you been at your job? Have you known each other long? This shows present perfect duration, and it's very common in natural conversation. Now, something different. Native speakers use have to express obligation, meaning you must do something. I have to go to work. She has to study for the exam. They have to finish this project today. In casual speech, we often shorten it, I gotta go. She's gotta work. Notice the difference from present perfect. When we say I have to go, we mean I must go in the present or near future. When we say I have gone, we mean I already went in the past. The word to, after have, is the clue. Have to means obligation. Have plus past participle means experience. Here's a fun one. In English, we use have to talk about eating or drinking. I had breakfast this morning. She has coffee every day. They had dinner together. This is casual and natural. Instead of saying I eat breakfast, native speakers often say I have breakfast or I had breakfast. What did you have for lunch? I usually have tea in the afternoon. This use is informal but extremely common in everyday conversation. Native speakers use have to talk about illness. I have a kid. She has the flu. He has a headache. This is the standard way English speakers express that they're sick. Instead of saying I am sick, we more often say I have a cold or I have a fever. What do you have? I have a sore throat. This is direct and natural. Remember, we use have, not I have sickness or I have illness. Finally, native speakers use have to talk about relationships and connections. We have a good relationship. They have a close friendship. She has a lot of respect for him. You can also say, do you have time for coffee? Let's have a meeting. We had a great conversation yesterday. This use is flexible and shows how have extends beyond simple possession to mean experience, relationship, or shared activity. Native speakers say, let's have fun, let's have dinner, let's have a chat. It's a casual, natural way of expressing togetherness. So now you know 7 ways native speakers use have. Remember, possession, experience with present perfect, duration, obligation with have to, food and drink, sickness, and relationships. Start listening for these uses in movies and podcasts, and try using them in your next conversation. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Subscribe to Daily English Edge for a new English lesson every single day.